painan ni Chris. Di ba pagod?
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now on our 5th game of the night.
Six game. Ronald, 6 na.
Ah, 6 pala, sorry. 6th game of the night between Team Delta and Team Charlie. Team Charlie holds a standing of 2-0, while Team Delta holds a standing of 1 win, 1 draw, 0 losses. Parang tayo din pala yun eh. 1 win, 1 draw, 0 losses. Napakaming talo. Tatlo lang. Okay. Timer is ready. And we are good. To solidify the champ of the night, Pau hits the 3 early on the ball game to give them a 3-point deficit in less than 15 minutes. And here comes L. Bigay kay Gab. Gab, pull-up jumper. Whoa, Gab is starting to get his shots tonight. And this is not a good news para sa ating white shirts. While Pau continues to relax his way down. Marco. Wow. Tommy all alone for 3. Short this time. Miggs continues to get those rebounds para sa blue shirts. Chong, the master of the backboard. Oh no! What an unforced error para sa white shirts.
Mali pala ako. Sabi ko walang naglalaro dito.
And here comes the blue shirts.
Ka-record na yun. Kanina pa.
L commanding his team. Gab, what a block by Chris.
Goodness.
Galit na galit si Chris. Nilabas na doon ang weeks and weeks na kanyang weeks and weeks na frustration. And Gab gets the 2 points anyway. Chris is all business tonight. 6-3 ang ating talaan. Marco umaybay ng baseline floaters and gets the layup. 6-5. And L designing the play. Nigay kay Miggs sa middle. Natapik ni Pao. Nakuha ni Miggs. Nakuha ni L. Dumalas ng konti. L tumitingin sa likod. Fake the shot. At kickball ang tinawag. Lalabas po ni Martin Lim. Si Martin Lim po ninyo po may tatanong ay nagtatrabaho sa
Saan?
sa Unilever ka. Chong, floater, too strong. Tommy, ahead of the pack, gets the ball, goes to his corner, binigay kay Chris, Chris all alone, binigay kay Jao, Jao midi, yes sir! (7-6) 6-7 ang ating score. This is brought to you by Roblox. Gab measuring Jao's defense. Fakes a shot. L. Binigay kay Martin Lim. Martin Lim all day to shoot. Short. Beat the clock. Nakuha ni Jao. Jao. Binigay kay Tommy. Tommy. Binigay kay Marco. Marco. Yes sir. Marco and Tommy. Tanglin connection. They've been playing all these years sa Tanglin court. Way back
1900s.
Natabigan. Gab falls away.
Way back the 1900s.
Foul. Foul si Marco. Foul. Traveling foul. And here comes L. L binigay kay Martin Lim. Martin Lim. Jumper. Yes sir! Martin Lim hits his patented stretch jumper.
Bukaka.
Bukaka jumper. And here comes Pau. Pau. Nagiging Chris. Chris. Tommy finds himself all alone for 3 and gets the basket. Sabi ni Tommy, wala kayong respeto ah. This is for you.
4-point lead.
The White Shirts trying to build an early lead. 12-8. 4-point lead. With 10 minutes, mabang po to. Gab. Gab gets the basket. Gab is getting his shots in the most important game of this night tonight. And here comes... Okay. Gab na naman. Nice pass, pero nice defense. Ay, nakagaw din ni Gab. What a great sequence. And here comes LL with his Euro step. Chong taking things slow. Binigay kay Mig Stabaj. Martin Lim, stutter step with a little push. Marco, steal. All the way. Foul. Okay lang? Lang, okay lang. Laban. I've been through worse, sabi ni Jao. Sabi ni Jao, this is nothing to me. Here comes Gab. Binigay kay Biggs. A little too many. Pero hindi na mahalata.
Binilang yung tunog ng
Sabi ng
sapatos
foul.
eh.
Sabi ng foul na tinawag kay Mig Stabaj.
Tatlo daw yung tunog ng sapatos eh.
A little too many steps down the lane. And here comes Pau. Enjoying a 2-point lead. Tapikan, nakuha ni El. Nakuha ni El. Nakuha ni Marco. Nakuha ni El. Nakuha ni Marco. Marco, binigay kay Tommy. Tommy with his usual spot. Short. Nakuha na naman ni Riggs. Back to the pass. Oh no! What an unfortunate sequence para sa Blue Shirts. Butterfingers from Mig Stabaj. Oh, is the ball slippery when wet? Foul. Challenged by Gab. Chris with a fake. Bigay kay Jao. Nabuto ka na po ng 24 seconds shot clock. What a good defense by the Blue Shirts. And here comes Gab and the Blue Shirts. Are they going to tie it or take the lead with a 3? Bigay kay L. Gusto yung palitan yung bola? Yun na. Hindi, baka nahihirapan ko. Concern lang ako. Parang maganda yung laro kasi nandito na sa inyo eh. Okay, 40 seconds.
May nanggugulo dito.
L, fakes. L, binigay kay Martin Ling. Martin Ling, fakes. Jumper! No! Nagawa ni L. Iban L. Nakita niya walang bantay. Binigay kay Chong. Chong, off the glass. Too strong. L, sinigurado. Too strong pa rin. Tapikan. Nabawa pa rin yung Chong. Binigay kay Gab. And Gab settles down the offense. And Chong, all the way. No good. Chris traveling high sa rebound. Here comes Chris Castillo. Binigay kay Jao. Jao, challenging Gab's defense. Tatapigan. Naagaw ni Migs. Nakuha ni Gab. Gab challenging Marco. Lay up. Foul. What a sequence.
Wala pa yan.
Wala. Ano lang, isa to lips lang.
All day.
Martin for 3. A little bit to the right. Binigay kay Chong. Chong is playing very good tonight, mga kaibigan.
Deadlock.
And we are on our first deadlock of the ball game. Chris, free throw shot, no challenge. gets the bucket. 2 points. And this is getting interesting now, kaibigan. 6 minutes remaining in the ball game. Only 2-point lead by the White Shirts. L, sumalaksak sa gitna. Natapikan, nakuha ni Martin. Binigay kay Mix, binigay kay Martin. Martin thinking to shoot. Binigay kay L. L. Foul. Just in time sa ating shot clock, and the clock will reset to 14. L, head fake. Foul naman. Sakit. L is a former member of the Serangoon Slashers. He was 0-7 sa Maharlika League. Chong continues to get those rebounds and help the blue team grab all day to shoot. Yes, sir! Gets the bucket. And the lead is back to the blue shirts. 15-14. 5 minutes 15 remaining in the ball game. And oh no! What a sorry miss. At nagkakasiko na po. Take it easy. Take it easy. Miggs, ang pambansang siko ng MBC. Di po sadya. Si Miggs and Chris po ay matagal na po nagkakalaban. Pre-pandemic pa lang, nagkakabantayan na po yan sa Tanglin. And they have this certain beef about this 2 points para kay Zhao. And the lead is back to the White Shirts. Okay, L trying to design the play. L fakes. Binigay kay Mix. Mix floater, too strong. Agawa naman ni Marco. Marco all the way to Tommy. Tommy fakes. Gets the basket. Tommy is feeling it tonight. Pass on Mix all day. The shot. Oh! What a sorry miss. Agaw ni Chong. Chong nagmamadali. Natabik ni Pao. Pao in those strong biceps. Here comes Gab. Takes a 3. Hesitation. Layup too strong. Foul. Hawak daw. 3 minutes remaining, 3-point lead. Ay, tama, 3-point lead po ng White. Isa lang daw. Mix. Nagiging, ay, Martin Lim, bitawan. Strong, free throw shot. Too strong. Tapikan. Rescue. It's okay. Meron pa yung 3 minutes 70 remaining in the ball game. Marco for 3. Too strong. Chong rebound. Gab. Challenging foul. Slashes the middle. Foul ang tinawag kay Pau. We stop the play. And here comes Martin. And L. Double screen. Bigay kay Mix. Mix. Bigay kay Gab. Gab. Kapikan. Foul. Foul. 2 minutes na ba lang, di ba? Tingin naman tayo. Higit pong laban. Gab. Thinking to shoot. Tapos! Buti lang nakuha ni Miggs. 3 seconds to shoot. Oh no! What a frustrating sequence para sa blue shirts. And the white shirt is still up by 3.
Last.
2 minutes!
Last 2 minutes. Ang last 2 minutes, ang hatid sa inyo ng Sheng. This last 2 minutes is brought to you by Sheng. Kung wala sa NTUC, meron sa Sheng. Okay. 1:43 remaining, and the blue shirts has a chance to tie it or cut the lead.
Late call.
Crucial miss. Oh.
Blue shirts have 2 fouls to give.
Meron kayong 2 fouls to give, ha? Blue shirts. 2 intentional fouls to give. Pag hindi intentional, don't give. Okay? Here goes Marco. Marco sa malaksak. Oh, what a layup! With a stare down. With a stare down. Here comes Gab, trying to save his team. Good three, yes sir! And the lead is back to 2 with 1 minute and 18 remaining in the ball game. This is still a long ball game. Binigay kay Tommy, binigay kay Chris. Chris versus Migs, spin move. What a shot! Foul ang tinawag, pero foul counted pala. Here comes L. Lead is up to 4. Nice pass by Migs. Quick 2 para sa ating white blue shirts. And the lead is now to 2. 43 seconds remaining in the ball game. This is getting interesting, ladies and gentlemen. Tommy, nahawak ng bola versus Chong.
30 seconds!
Walang bantay si Chris. Chris better steps. 5 seconds to shoot. Foul. Alohay na tira. Foul ang tinawag. 23 seconds remaining. 2-point lead by the white
Fouls
shirts.
to give, ha? May fouls to give kayo.
Okay, here we go. Chris na naman. Top of the key. Foul. Top of the key versus foul. Took the jumper. Maliban na Marco. Maliban na Marco, mga kaibigan. 10 seconds remaining. Foul. Foul ang tinawag. Marco will take the free. And then, isa pa. Foul to give. Foul to give. Meron pang 1 foul to give. Isa pa. Pwede. Intentional dapat. Intentional. Foul. Sinawag kay Tommy. Pero wala na pong oras. Anticlimactic po ang ating end game. Still a good game though.